Welcome! We're so glad you're here because today isn't just another day.
Here, we laugh loud, worship loud, and love even louder.
Because this year, we are choosing one thing above everything else.
A love that welcomes.
A love that celebrates.
A love that includes.
Love that makes this place feel like home.
No matter who you are, where you have been, or how your week went, there's a spot for you here.
So get daily.
For joy,
For friendships.
For breakthroughs.
For memories,
And for a year overwhelming with
love above all.